Hi, guys. I'm so excited to do this podcast today. This is the Retire Younger podcast. The biggest obstacle that I faced creating daily content on YouTube was the whole process of capturing the video, editing the video, and then uploading that video to YouTube every single day. The problem was I didn't streamline the process. I created a solution that will allow me to create daily content here on YouTube, and I'm going to share that with you today, how to streamline your video editing process so that you can cut through these videos very quickly. Let's get started. I know you're a busy person just like I am. I have a full-time job, I have a family, I create daily content on YouTube. If you want to do the same, you know it's the best thing for your business is to upload daily content and get viewers to grow your audience on YouTube. Then I have a solution for you that's not going to break the budget, and it's going to allow you to do this within an hour or two a day, and it's going to be easy and fun to do. This is my solution, and this is how I streamline my process so I can create daily content here on YouTube. Stay tuned, I have a powerful episode for you. Instead of sacrificing your time and effort making YouTube videos and content for social media, here's a solution for you that you can get started with right away. I believe a YouTube creator should have a life too. Here's a duplicatable, easy system that anybody can use to create YouTube content. Here's what I'm going to cover in this video. I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to organize your video ideas and create a production pipeline so that you can go through this content very quickly and upload your daily videos. I'm going to show you a fast way to write your scripts so that you can maintain that speed. I'm going to show you how to set up your studio so that it's just one click and you're recording and making high quality videos. I'm going to show you a quick way to edit your raw video and add stock video, background music, text, and graphics to your videos very quickly and easily. You'll be through editing your video in 20 minutes and be ready to upload that to YouTube. I'll show you how to use technology to write your title, tags, and descriptions so you can reach the maximum amount of people on YouTube. And as a bonus strategy, I'm going to show you how to use technology to create powerful thumbnails that will get those clicks that you need. Two methods for getting unlimited ideas for your videos. One is using keywords, and the second is by going through YouTube and seeing what other content creators are creating and then creating similar videos. I'm going to share with you a strategy for capturing those ideas and organizing those ideas and putting them in your production pipeline so that you can work through this very quickly and streamline the process. First of all, you're going to go through YouTube and look at videos from other content creators in your particular niche. And when you find a video that you like, you're going to screen capture that video, and then you're going to go to Trello and open up Trello. It's an app that you can put on your phone. It's free. And you open that up and you can create these cards. What you're going to do is you're going to open up Trello and you're going to create a template inside there, a template card. And in that template card, you're going to have a list of items in there that you want to store in that Trello card, such as script ideas. You're going to click on your template, take your screen capture, you're going to go and edit your screen capture inside your phone, and then you're going to click on the cover art. You're going to click on the cover art and then replace the cover art with your new thumbnail from your screen capture. Go to YouTube and capture the link to the video. You're going to put that link inside the description of your card, and then you're going to save your Trello card. So then you can move your Trello card to the next spot in production, which is script writing, and that's where we're going to go next. So let's make your script. What I like to use is an app called Dragon Speaking Naturally. You can download it. I think you have to pay $20 a year to use the app, but what it does is it captures, makes text from your voice. This way you can just dictate your script ideas inside the Dragon naturally, and it also acts as a app where you can, it's like a teleprompter where you can read your script back when you make your videos. You'll have a dual purpose for this app. You're going to go to Dragon and you're going to open up the app. You're going to click on a new document, and then you're going to just click the little icon down here where it starts dictating your speech, and then you're going to speak into the microphone of your phone, and then it's going to dictate the words that you say in the phone. What this allows you to do is cut down your script writing to about 15 minutes, which will definitely benefit you in the long run when you're making daily content. Now, if I want to share this with my team, what I would do is I copy the information into a Google document, and I can share that link with my team. Now it's time for the recording. We've organized our video ideas, and now we've written our script. Now it's time to create our video. And what I use is a free open source software called OBS, and it records your videos. Now, I don't worry about capturing any other things besides just the video, because I want to focus on what I'm saying and the way that I'm saying it on my video, so that I can capture the essence of the content and not be distracted by trying to add other elements like graphics and text and sound effects while I am videotaping. So I just focus on creating a high quality video, and then all the graphics and everything else is going to be added into during my editing process. And I'm going to show you how you can do that very quickly. Within 20 minutes, you can have your video totally edited inside of software. One other thing I want to say is that you should have your studio already set up so that all you have to do is turn everything on and then just push one button on your keyboard and start recording. I have my phone, which has the script on it. I have a video camera, and then I have just some basic lights that light up my scene. And I already have my scene set up in the background. So my background or backdrop's already set up. You can use virtual backgrounds, but I prefer to use a real life background in my videos. It just makes it a lot easier, and you don't have those artifacts in your video. The recording process should only take about 15 to 20 minutes, depending on how well you read your script and how well you get through all your outtakes. And then you're going to go to the editing phase. So we've gone through organizing our ideas, we've written our script, and now we recorded our video. Now we're going into video editing. I use a software called DESCRIPT, and I'm going to show you that now. Here we are at DESCRIPT. And the first thing I do is we load in our video into a new project. We loaded it in, and it transcribed all the audio here. And the first thing you're going to do is click on this icon and click on remove filler words. This removes all the uhs and ahs. And then we're also going to click on shorten word gaps. This reduces the gaps in between your outtakes so that you don't have to edit those out manually. So those are the first two things. And then every edit that we make is going to have this little slash here. I'm clicking on that little slash will allow you to add a new element to the scene. Let's say we want to move this portion from the video. All we do is click on it and cut it there. So that edited out that portion of the video. So that now add some music or some stock images. Enter a search into this box here, and it will find videos related to that topic, and these are free stock images. This is one of the benefits of having DESCRIPT, is that you have access to all these stock videos and images and background music and backgrounds, and you don't have to pay anything additional. I think it's around $30 a month for DESCRIPT now. And that's basically all you do is you just go through here, you add these little forward slashes, and then you add your different elements. You can edit out individual words if you don't like what you said during the video. And within 20 minutes, you can have a finished edited video ready to upload to YouTube. So far in this video, we showed you how to organize your video ideas. We've written a script using our voice, and we captured our video, and then we uploaded it to put it in DESCRIPT and edited our video. So now it's time to upload our video to YouTube. And there's a couple elements that you need to add to your YouTube videos in order to get them viewed and to grow your audience on YouTube. And those things are titles, tags, and descriptions. These are the three elements that need to be in your video. What I use is a AI software through OpenAI called Chat GPT. Chat GPT allows you to write video titles and give you alternative versions of those video titles. I write a title in my own words, and then what I do is go to Chat GPT and I have Chat GPT rewrite 5 alternative titles to the title that I wrote. What you do is you go to ChatGPT and tell it to rewrite 5 alternative titles, followed by a colon, and you click this. Now it's writing 5 alternative titles to what I wrote, and you'll see it here. What it wrote was Explosive Cash Flow Strategies, How to Make $100K a Month in 2023, Unbelievable Income Opportunities, $100K a month in 2003 with this marketing idea, Mind-blowing Marketing Ideas, $100,000 a month in 2023, Revolutionary Ways to Make $100,000 a month in 2003. Now we're going to copy these titles into Creator ML. It's another machine learning software that will allow you to show you the best results from your thumbnails and alternatives. Here we are on Creator ML, and I've already loaded in my title ideas and my thumbnails. As you see here, my title ideas and my thumbnails. And then I just click this blue button here where it says Rank Combinations, and I've already run that. And you can see that the highest rank is this thumbnail and this title. I'm going to paste that into my YouTube content and then start uploading my videos with that thumbnail and alternative title idea. Now I'm going to use another piece of software called Vid IQ. And with Vid IQ, it loads into your YouTube channel and allows you to edit your titles, your descriptions, and your tags here on YouTube. vidIQ loads into your YouTube channel under the editing tabs and allows you to add titles and descriptions and tags using keyword research that vidIQ does for you. Add your generic information into your description box and then click this little link that says Create AI Description. And then you're going to add in the keywords that you want to create the description around. Then I'm going to generate. So now it's generating the descriptions, and you can read through these 3 descriptions it wrote for you. And I hit insert, go to the second one, hit insert, because you have up to 5,000 words. And the last one, insert. So there's all my description in here. Just format your text a little bit. And your tags, the same thing. You can add tags. One of the keys to adding the tags is having the same ones in each video to make sure that when they find one of your videos, they'll find other videos based on the tags that you put in this video here. So have similar ones, and I only changed the first few here each video so that I can rank for those particular keywords on YouTube. And then your thumbnail, again, you found the winner using that Creator ML. And that's all you do for uploading your videos. And that's how I streamline the process of editing my videos here on YouTube. Okay, so far we've organized our video ideas, we created a production pipeline, we created our script using our voice, we read the script and created our video, now we edited our video, and now we uploaded our video up on YouTube. As a bonus strategy, I was going to give you ideas for creating powerful thumbnails that will get click-throughs every single time. I've already showed you how to use Creator ML to use machine learning to figure out which thumbnails is going to get the most clicks. How do you create these thumbnails? I use a software called Photoshop, but you can use alternative. You can use PowerPoint or Google Slides to create thumbnails. You can also use Canva. What I would do is create selfies of your face and also your hand, and make sure that you upload that to your computer or your editing software, and then create a cutout of your head using the software. You take away the background in your selfie and your hand, and then you'll be able to use your hand as a pointer in different videos. And also you'll have your head in different formats and different angles, so that you can, in different expressions, so that you can put those up on your different thumbnails. Then you want to have a colorful background, sometimes neon green, neon red, yellows. These are really bright colors because they really capture attention and they stand out from the YouTube search. When somebody searches on YouTube, it really stands out when you put your bright colored thumbnail there. Those are the strategies I have for you for creating powerful thumbnails, and to see which thumbnail is going to create the highest click-through rate on your videos. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to click on the like button and subscribe to this channel for more daily content on how to grow your YouTube audience and business on YouTube. Make sure you go to gionroberts.com and check out my free mini course on how to grow your business online. If you like this video, I recommend that you watch this video as well. Thank you for watching to the very end of this video. I'll see you in the next one.